Hello everyone, I am a CA Krushali Gohil. I am from Navkar. Since my CPT and my journey through Navkar, it's been the best amazing experience that I've ever been through my academic life. I believe that Navkar is one of the most popular institute that actually produces the chartered accountants. They just not produces the chartered accountants but also support them afterwards. They are being a chartered accountant, and I am proud that I am being professional personality just because of a Navkar. I am being more confident, and actually the faculties are giving us so many supports before the examination, during the examination, and also the after examination. They also guide us in the situation that where our results come either a positive or either a negative. They always and forever support us, and they are always with us. So I can say that I am thankful to Navkar. Just because of a Navkar, I am a proud chartered accountant, and I feel that I genuinely feel that Navkar is one of the best institute for the chartered accountants, and I am thankful for Navkar. Whatever I am today, just because of a Navkar. So I am grateful to Navkar. And my Navkar also helps you after becoming a chartered accountant. They are providing the placement services, and the placement services I am here today for the E&Y placement. So they are also providing you the many more Big Four companies Big Four companies like for the other esteemed organization placement. So yes, they also helps you after you become a chartered accountant and before you become a chartered accountant. So thank you Navkar for everything. Navkar, we believe in the best.